Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soup and grow garden full guide. Begin by choosing seasonal vegetables and a reliable broth to build flavors. Next, plan a garden layout that matches sunlight and soil conditions. Collect essential tools, seeds, and containers so planting and harvesting stay simple and enjoyable. This approach saves time, reduces waste, and makes fresh soup from your own garden a weekly habit. In this video, I will show how to make soup and grow garden full guide. Start soups with a clear plan. Choose broth, aromatics, and a cooking order so vegetables stay distinct. Simmer gently to concentrate flavors without overcooking delicate greens. Season in stages and balance with acid or cream at the end for brightness or richness. These small steps make each pot balanced, comforting, and easy to replicate for different seasons and harvests. In this video, I will show how to make soup and grow garden full guide. Test your soil first, then add compost and adjustments to support healthy roots and flavorful produce. Choose plant varieties suited to your season and space to maximize yield and minimize fuss. Water regularly, use mulch to hold moisture, and stagger plantings for a steady harvest so fresh ingredients are always ready for your soups and kitchen experiments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.